Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So you're probably wondering why I'm standing in my bathroom. Well, we're going to clean the toilet and we're going to use this. Scrub It from Unique Camping and Marine. I'm Gary and today on Sandswept Journeys, we're going to show you how we clean our toilet and keep our system in really good working order by using Unique Camping and Marine products. Now we're full-time RVers, so our toilet gets a lot of use, as you can imagine, and it gets used on a daily basis. So we have to keep it clean. We have to keep our system functioning properly. Well, today cleaning it is going to be super easy because we're going to use, like I said, Scrub It, and it's such an easy process to do. It only takes just a short period of time. The nice thing about this is once you're done cleaning, you just simply leave it in the bowl and you let it sit. It does a lot of nice things for you. It actually conditions and softens the seal. It actually lubricates all of the joints, the working hinges and functions inside the toilet, and also keeps the seal itself lubricated. Another added benefit to using Scrub It is it's going to remove stains, and it's safe for both plastic and porcelain toilets. Be careful what you're using for a scrub brush. We're going to cover what I use in just a minute because you don't want to scrape up your toilet. It's a great product, and it contains probiotic bacteria and enzymes to help break down and partially digest any of the waste products that are in the toilet. It works in conjunction with the other products from Unique Camping Marine, like Digest It and Clean It. And it helps to keep your bowl clean, but also helps to enhance the performance of those products in your black tank. It does not replace a black tank treatment, but it just helps to kind of enhance it. So again, very simple product to use, and they make it super easy with the instructions right on the label. But we're going to go through it real quick. So obviously with any of their products, I like to flip them upside down and give them a good shake. Make sure you've mixed everything up inside. They can settle a little bit. So if we take the cap off, there'll be a protective layer underneath. When you pull that protective cover off, you'll see there's actually a hole in there that allows you to squirt the product into the toilet. So we're going to get that going for you in just a second. The other thing you're going to need is a brush. I like this one. It's also from Unique Camping Marine, and this is their silicone bristle toilet brush. Great product. I got a whole video on that, so go check it out. But this is what we're going to use to get our toilet clean today. Okay, so let's talk about why you want to use something like this over, say, bleach or some other type of caustic cleaner. Those chemicals, harsh chemicals, can actually damage your toilet seals, the mechanism inside your toilet, and actually damage sensors and things like that inside your black tank. So you want to steer clear of bleaches and things like that that are super harsh. That's why I like to recommend using an enzyme-based cleaner as well as tank treatment for your black tank and your toilet and that system on your RV, because it's designed for that purpose. Okay, there are some other homemade remedies out there that do a good job. I've used them and they do a good job. I like using this type of product better, just our preference. We've had great luck with it. And again, using everything as a system is when you really get the benefits of it. But again, stay away from bleaches and harsh chemicals down inside your toilet because they're going to cause you nothing but problems. Hey, I just want to point out that this is an unsponsored video. We've been using these products now for about 2 years, and we're just really happy with them. We wanted to share a little bit about how we keep our toilet and our system clean. Also, if you're looking for in-depth instructions and advice, please reach out to Unique Camping and Marine. Talk to the experts there. They're really good people, and they've got everything you need. So we're going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to change the camera angle so you can see what's going on, and we'll go ahead and get that toilet clean. So obviously going to start by just getting a little bit of water in your toilet. It doesn't have to be full. You want it to be about a third to half full. Now that I've got some water in there, I like to take the brush and just give it a little quick scrub before I put the chemical in. Simply take your Scrub It, move the cap, give it a good coating all the way around. Use a generous amount. I like to go ahead and stir it in, let it sit on there for a second. You don't have to rinse it off the brush, by the way, because it's going to help clean and condition your brush as well. We're going to let this sit for a minute, and then we're going to come back and give it a scrub. After it's sat for a few minutes, you just want to come in very gently, just start working the solution around. Make sure you're getting all the surfaces of the toilet. I like to make sure I get a little bit up into these little holes up here where the water jets come out. Now, if you have stains in your toilet, you can want to scrub those stains really well. Now, this is just a regular cleaning. We don't have any stains, so I'm not really worried about it. So that's basically it. The toilet is pretty much now clean. Now that I've scrubbed it, we're just going to let this sit until the next person comes and uses the toilet. And then it'll get flushed down. If I had stains on the toilet, then I would want to let this sit for at least an hour. Come back, scrub the stains again, get a good scrub on them as much as you need to, and then you could actually let it sit in here for up to 24 hours or longer if needed. And you may actually have to repeat the process a couple of times. And that's basically it. The toilet's now clean. We'll just leave that solution in there until the next time it gets flushed. It can stay in there as long as it needs to. There's really no time limit on it. Remember, this does not replace your tank treatment. You're still going to need a good quality tank treatment. I recommend sticking with the unique camping and marine products because they're all designed to work synergistically together. We like to use the RV Digest It concentrate. This one is really great. They make another one now called Max. Haven't tried that one, heard good things. They have pods. They have a bunch of different ones that you can check out and try. Also, if you want to keep your system clean, periodically, as full-timers, about every 4 months, we like to use Clean It. Clean your tank out, dump this in, let it do its thing while you use your tank normally, and then you just flush it away. But every 3 to 4 months, this is like power washing almost your tank. Not exactly like power washing, but you get the idea. It does a great job of keeping that black tank really clean. So where do you get all these products? I'm going to leave a link down below in the description. It is an affiliate link. We do get a small commission for it, and it does help support the channel. And I really appreciate you taking the time to watch the video. And please throw us a like, throw some comments. Love comments. And don't forget to subscribe. And remember, life's all about the journey. We'll see you in the next one.